Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your email address in your Google Chrome account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, we have to click on our Google Chrome app. Then on the right hand side we need to click on the profile icon and choose add another account. Now all you need to do is click on add an account to device, which will then redirect you to this kind of sign in interface. Now you have to type in your email address and press the next button. So now to verify whether it's you or anyone else trying to log in, it will give you some tasks which you need to fulfill to prove that you are not a robot and you are a human being who's trying to log in into the account. After this process is done, all you need to do is type in your password and press the next button. So this is how you simply log in your email account to your Google Chrome account. I hope this video was really helpful to you guys, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next videos.